Hello students, we are going to study the classification of thermodynamic process. So basically the thermodynamic process is a procedure by which the initial state of a system changes to its final state. Means thermodynamic process is the relationship between heat, work and temperature and energy also. So during such changes, there may be a transfer of heat into the system from its environment. So as we have seen earlier, a thermodynamic state can be described by its pressure, volume and temperature. Okay, so that these are the state variables of a system. So the thermodynamic process means what? The process by which two or more of these variables, which variables temperature, pressure and volume can be changed, is called as thermodynamic process, or it is also known as thermodynamic change. So there can be a different ways to change these parameters, that is there are different thermodynamic processes. Okay, now there are so the first process is irreversible and reversible processes. Okay, so first we studied the irreversible process. So irreversible process means when the two objects at different temperature are brought in a thermal contact, that means they reach a thermal equilibrium. So thermal equilibrium means what? Thermal equilibrium means when the temperature of a system is uniform throughout the process and does not change with time. That means the system is said to be in thermal equilibrium. Okay, so in irreversible process, the object at higher temperature loses heat. Object at higher temperature loses heat and the object at lower temperature gains the heat. Okay, so that means the previously hot object never becomes hot again, and the previously cold object never becomes cold again once they reach a thermal equilibrium. That means the two objects at different temperature reaching thermal equilibrium is known as an irreversible process. So in short, irreversible process means it is a process is one in which the system and its environment cannot return together to exactly the states that they were in. Okay, so such a processes, that is such a irreversible processes, do not restore in the initial state of the system. Okay, and the examples of the irreversible processes are rubbing our palms together. Okay, also electric current flows through a conductor with a resistance, and burning a candle and puncturing of an inflated balloon or a tire. So this is the irreversible process. Now next process is reversible process. So reversible process means it is defined as the process in which the system and the surrounding can be returned to the original conditions from the final state without producing any change in the thermodynamic properties of the universe. Okay, so means what? Reversible process means the processes such as freezing of water, melting of ice, boiling of water and condensation of steam can be reversed. Okay, so that means the difference between irreversible process and reversible process is that in irreversible process, the initial state of the system cannot be restored. In irreversible process, the initial state of the system cannot be restored, and in reversible process, the initial state of the system can be restored. Is the main difference in between irreversible process and reversible process.